I'm Rema Sibonga, Work Package 3 ECR, working on the characterization, conservation, and exploitation of algal genetic resources towards crop improvement. In the previous video, I showed you what we do during fieldwork. In this video, we will see the different wild seaweeds we collected from different sites in the Philippines.
In Guimaras, here are the wild eucheumatoids we have collected. Have a look at the wild eucheumatoids from Bohol. Here are the wild eucheumatoids from Tawi-Tawi. Lastly, these are the wild eucheumatoids collected from Iloilo. The wild seaweeds collected were described initially based on their external features. A small portion of the apical tip was cut and molecular analysis was conducted to genetically describe these seaweeds. These wild seaweeds are potential source of new cultivars which can be used for tissue culture and sporulation and eventually the plantlets to be available for the seaweed farmers.
After seeing the wild seaweeds, I will now show you the different farm seaweeds we collected from different parts of the Philippines.
There are different color morphotypes and varieties. The color morphotypes and varieties are what the farmers use as local names of the seaweeds they are farming. In Guimaras and Davao del Norte, the seaweeds being farmed are Capaphycus alvarezi. Guimaras farmers cultivate tambalang and cotonay varieties, while in Davao del Norte, they culture only the tambalang variety. In Bohol, Capaphycus striatus and Eucheuma denticulatum are farmed. The varieties of K. striatus are Bisaya, Sakol, and Vanguard. Vanguard variety are green and reddish-brown. The E. denticulatum varieties are SP with colors of green, brown, light brown, and red, and morphotypes of Pino and Dako. Tawi-Tawi farmers cultivate only K. striatus with varieties or local names called Duyan-Duyan, Gadong, and Subol-Subol. Zamboanga farmers cultivate different varieties of K. alvarezi, K. striatus, and E. denticulatum. The K. alvarezi varieties are Putan and Marlin with colors of brown and green. The K. striatus varieties being farmed are Kabkab, Simidlin, Gadong, Sakol, Katunay, and Latest. The varieties of Sakol are brown, green, and Colette, while Katunay are brown and green. The latest varieties are black, red, and green. For E. denticulatum, the varieties being farmed are SP Million, brown, and green. In Palawan, K. alvarezi, K. striatus, and E. denticulatum are farmed. The K. alvarezi varieties are Giant Tambalang, Tambalang Malagkit, Lagwayan Giant, Magnolia, and Tiningting. The K. striatus are Sakol green and brown, and Vanguard varieties. The farm variety of E. denticulatum is SP Million. Both the wild and farm seaweeds were analyzed using molecular tools to confirm their identification. The wild and farm seaweeds collected by the GlobalSeaweedSTAR Philippines are kept in the Seaweed Micropropagation and Biobanking Facility at the University of the Philippines, Visayas.